Welcome to the Doc Shala. Let's move to the another question. So what is that? During measurement of a barrel of a rifled firearm, weapon calibre depends upon which of the following. Okay, distance between the two opposite land, distance between the two opposite groups, number of the lead balls prepared from 1 pound of lead metal, and ratio between the length and the cartilage. So it is a very direct and easy question. So if you see in this diagram, so this is basically what is calibre? So caliber, what is caliber? It is the internal diameter of a barrel of a rifle weapon. What is calibre? It is the internal diameter of a rifle weapon. So if you see in the picture, that in the rifle weapon, these are all known as the land, okay? This is the raised area is known as land, and the depressed area, they are known as your groups. Okay. And the internal diameter is measured by, that is the distance between the two opposite land. Okay. What is caliber? How to measure it? It is the distance between the two opposite land. So what is caliber? How to measure it? It is the distance between the two opposite land. Okay. Now it's a very direct question. Now during measurement of a barrel of a rifle firearm weapon, caliber depends upon which of the following? The option number A, that is distance between the two opposite land.